Hello. So I'm back again on this sidewalk project. Probably going to be my last video. I'm going to continue on up, but the rest of it's just going to be boring edge cleanup. So probably won't video all of that. If I run across another area that's rough, I'll might add another video for that. But for today, I'm going to finish this part up here, get up there to where it's been maintained a little bit better. Also going to go right back there. Before I start on that other, I'm going to take care of this. I've had one comment already about this sprig of weeds sticking up right here, so I'm going to clean this area right here up. And I'm going to, this is the area right here, I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to mow a strip all the way up through here. And go ahead and just go ahead and mow this area right up through here. I don't think it's going to need re-edging today, but if it does, I'll hit the edge with the edger real quick. But I'm going to go ahead and take care of all of that first, and then I'll go up there to where that area I just filmed at. All right, so here's where I'm going to begin. This just a little patch right here that kind of stands out. It's got this sign and it kind of stands out, and then I'll go back over that way where I've already done and finish all that up. So stick around and hope you enjoy the video. So I fixed the problem with the lawnmower. Not going to tell you what it was right now, but I will say that it's less of a problem. It's always been a problem with lawnmowers, but it was less of a problem back when we used fuel that had ethanol in it. I'm using non-ethanol fuel now, so it becomes more of a problem sometimes. I'll let you operate off of that hint for right now, and I will do some more hints throughout the video. And then we'll have the solution toward the end. Well, looks like I made another penny on this job. I went to throw that piece of sod over there in a hole, found out that the hole was a grate. So I think I'll weed eat around it before I leave this area too. Just like in some of my other videos on this sidewalk, this area in here is a driveway. There's another one up here too. There's just so much dirt and mud right there. I'm not going to deal with that. I'm going to make sure this sidewalk looks good and is passable, and I'll come back and clean all these some other time. If you want me to put that stuff on video, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll just include it with some of the other cleanup I'm going to do that is not going to be on video. Who knew there was a grate there, huh? I guess the guy who got his lawnmower caught in that piece of it right there, he knows there's one there. So I thought about clearing around this porta potty. It's out here. Didn't know if anybody used it, but while I was here, some guy came up and used it while it's cleaning. So I think I'll go ahead and clean around it for him. All right, so I ended up getting into a lot more than what I thought I was going to before I got up to that other site. But done now. We'll take a quick break and then we'll start mowing our way up through that to the original site that I came out here for. Okay, another clue on the mower issue. Ethanol is hydroscopic or scopic. Anyway, it absorbs water. So if you got ethanol in your fuel, it'll help absorb that water in the fuel. So any idea now what my problem was with my mower? Leave in the comments below and I'll let you know shortly just exactly what it was. shoveling gets to me a lot more than anything else. Not used to this. right, well, I'm done for the day. So for those of you who stuck around long enough to hear this, what the problem was in the lawnmower, in case you hadn't already guessed, water in the gas. I dumped the gas tank out, and there was a good probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of water in that tank, and so that was catching right there when I tried to crank it sometimes. So the reason fuel with ethanol in it would have helped with that is the ethanol would have kind of blended that water in with the gas and it would have run. But I run strictly ethanol free gas, so that's my problem. But anyway, for those of you who guessed it right, leave in the comments below that you guessed it right. So I talked to a lady that owns that property out there, and she's given me permission to come on out through there and edge all of that. I'll do that, not today. I've had all I can do today. Got all that. This is where all that kudzu was. So hope you enjoyed it. Get out your weed eater and hit that like button. Get your lawnmower and mow right over that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.